waru and kani kani too. Nahi ua toru wha. Let's sing some waiata. Lima ono fitu waru and kani kani too. Nau Mai Haramai. Welcome to our music time. Nau Mai Haramai. Welcome to you all.
Kia ora.
Malolele, it's Seal
And Leah
from Loopy Tunes. Welcome to Music Time with us, Loopy Tunes.
where we get to sing and dance and learn together.
Now we have 3 clues right here beside us that are going to help us figure out what song we're going to sing today.
Can you help us out with the clues? Awesome, thank you.
Okay, let's start right up the top. Clue tuatahi, our first clue. Do you know what this is? Ai ka pai. It's a kina, a sea urchin.
Clue tuarua, right here. Do you know what it is? That's right, it's a wheke, an octopus.
And clue tuatoru, our final clue, is right here beside us. Do you know what this is? Ai ka pai. It's a tuna, a slippery eel. We have all 3 clues. We have a kina, a sea urchin, wheke, our octopus, and a tuna, an eel.
Oh, I know what song we're going to sing. Everybody's favourite, Kina Kina.
That's right. We're going to do Kina Kina, where we're going to sing all about our beautiful kai Moana. We're going to get faster and faster. So see if you can keep up and try and remember these 3 kai Moana, because we're going to ask you about it in our Hokinga Mahara at the end.
So I'm going to count to toru, and then we'll go and have a sing-along together. Tahi, rua, toru.
Kina Kina, wheke wheke, ika ika, tuna tuna, pipi pipi, pawa pawa, kai Moana e. Hey, well done. All right, let's try it again. Kina Kina, wheke wheke, ika ika, tuna tuna, pipi pipi, pawa pawa, kai Moana e. Hey, oh, you've got it. All right, should we try a little faster? Let's go. Kina Kina, wheke wheke, ika ika, tuna tuna, pipi pipi, pawa pawa, kai Moana e. Hey, that's the one. Let's go even faster. Kina Kina, wheke wheke, ika ika, tuna tuna, pipi pipi, pawa pawa, kai Moana e. Hey, yay, ka pai. All right, let's go even faster. Kina Kina, wheke wheke, ika ika, tuna tuna, pipi pipi, pawa pawa, kai Moana e. Hey, wow, all right, let's go even faster. Kina Kina, wheke wheke, ika ika, tuna tuna, pipi pipi, pawa pawa, kai Moana e. Hey, oh, you've got this. Let's go even faster. Kina Kina, wheke wheke, ika ika, tuna tuna, pipi pipi, pawa pawa, kai Moana e. Hey, oh, you guys are fast. All right, we're ready for supersonic speed. See if you can keep up. It's fast. Kina Kina, wheke wheke, ika ika, tuna tuna, pipi pipi, pawa pawa, kai Moana e. Wow, you guys are supersonic fast. Give yourself a pat on the back. Ka rawe. That was supersonic fast. Did you keep up at the end?
Which one was your favourite kai Moana?
Oh, that's a good one.
Very
I like
cool.
that one. All right, he wā Hokinga Mahara. It's time to remember those 3 kai Moana that we learnt at the beginning. Here's the first one. It starts with the sound K,
Ki. Kina. Our second word starts with the sound fe. Feke. And our last one, sitting right beside me, starts with the sound t. Tu. Tuna, a slippery eel. Well done, we hope you had fun with that song. We love singing it with you and getting faster and faster. Alright, should we go do our goodbye song together? Goodbye everybody, it's time to go. Goodbye everybody, we'll miss you so. Can't keep there, no, we'll see you soon. Goodbye, hey Corneira. Goodbye, hey Corneira.
Hey you, make sure to like and subscribe down below so that you can watch my mum and auntie's videos. Loopy Tunes!